Hey you guys, hey my loves, hey my peoples. It's Harriet aka Honey, and I'm back with another quick video, really quick video. I wanted to show you guys my sleepwear, my onesie that I got from Walmart.com. If you've been following, giving that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, you know I had just ordered some things from Walmart.com because I am boycotting Lovely Wholesale. It's my preference. I do like their designs on their outfits, but it's not worth the money. The quality is really cheap. You can't really even put it in the washer without the seams coming up or anything like that. And I want to be able to have some good quality stuff for you guys so that when you go to these sites, you can get the same thing and you feel confident and comfortable wearing it. So I no longer will be buying anything from Lovely Wholesale. What I have gotten from them, I am thankful, but it's kind of going to be more for wearing in the house. I do have one thing I got from the last order that I'm going to wear out, and I'm only going to wear it out. I haven't even worn it but once. Got really a lot of good comments on it. It was kind of short, and I'm 5'2". But other than that, I did get comments on it, but it's one of those ones where you're not going to really be able to wear it all the time. So anyway, I went ahead and I got my little onesie, my pajamas, and I just would like to go ahead and show you guys. Alright you guys, so here it is. And yes, it's Barbie. I know I have the back first, but I wanted you to get that good view of the back. And this did come from Walmart.com. It's basically just the onesie, pajama, sleepwear. It was $10.87. I believe I got free shipping on it. And here's the front. Now, she is a 2X, and I wanted you guys to see that, because normally with this, I would have went for extra large, and I remember getting on the website and looking at the reviews, and it said one thing about this outfit, it was true to the size, and it really was. So an extra large wouldn't have fit. I wouldn't have been happy. The 2X fits like an extra large. So I'm going to tell you guys, I am short, but you guys know my size. So I would tell you I would recommend going up a size. So if you wear medium, I definitely would get a large. If you wear a large, I would get an extra large. If you wear extra large, get that to exact, you get what I'm saying? Go up a size. Because the only thing with this, I will tell you, is it fits true to the size. So I mean, it's like really booty short, and you guys will see if you're following and subscribing the pictures that I post with it on. But here she is, and I love her. I'm in love. I'm gonna order some more. Like I said, it was under $11, but I've worn her once, and I did wash her, and I'm seeing that, but that's nothing. But I did wash her, and you can't even really tell. It still looks brand new. But this is it, and I wanted to show you guys. So check out Walmart.com. They got a lot of things. This is where I'm going to start showing you guys just more stuff. This is totally me. It's Barbie. It's really cute. And that's it. And I'll see you guys soon in another video. Love you guys so much. Like I said, please give that thumbs up, that like, subscribe. Don't forget to share. And don't forget to support. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see, so I can get those going for you. And I'll see you guys soon. Look at that.